Ladies and gentlemen, AI is starting to take over the e-commerce space. I'm not kidding. This product I'm about to show you today is one of the coolest AI products that I've seen so far this year, and their launch strategy has been genius and it's been working. So they've done well over $1 million since they've launched this product, and it's a hardware AI product, which in my opinion is really, really cool. Hard to do, but very interesting potential. So as you see here on my screen, we're not going to waste any time. We're going to explore this whole launch and this whole brand overall. Now, the brand is called Plod, and what they do is they sell this note taker that is empowered by ChatGPT, and it's actually a voice recorder. So as you see, you basically just can record your voice on here and ChatGPT will transcribe it. Now, what's cool is that you can attach it to your phone and have it in, meetings, in classrooms, wherever you are, just kind of how it explains here. You can record your phone calls, literally anything you want. So it's a perfect spy tool. And as you see here, they're bundling it with an annual membership. So you do need a membership to use this, which is kind of wild. So $238 is the average order value. And by the way, shout out to Shopify for the hoodie. I love it. But yeah, if we take a look at some of their other social medias, YouTube is pretty non-existent for them. They have a Twitter, which is also not doing much. They're just reposting their TikTok content. But on TikTok is where they actually went off. They launched their product on TikTok Shop, which is so clever because they were able to amass over 5,500 units sold just through TikTok Shop. Now, the other thing that I saw that they did that's really genius is that the commission rate for this product is like 15%, which doesn't sound like a lot, but since the product is $139, it allows you to make a pretty good commission, right? You can make like $20 plus per item sold. So a lot of creators, especially in the tech space, are talking about it. Yesterday, I posted this sort of reaction video. This is actually how I found out about the product. I saw this dude post about it on TikTok Shop. Now here's the next thing I want to show you, because by the way, this is on pre-order, which is crazy. So all the March orders are going to be shipped in April. I'm guessing it ships from China, and that's pretty clever, right? So they're able to make a lot of cash flow. So over 8 million in sales actually. So well over $1 million. $8 million is more accurate. Yeah, they have a really elaborate landing page that really educates people on how to use the product, which is clever. I mean, they went kind of this Apple route. This must have taken a lot of funding in order to be done at this level, but execution is really great here, as you see. And again, I still think it was so genius of them to launch this on TikTok Shop too. I think that's just not how a lot of brands are thinking these days. A lot of brands are actually neglecting TikTok Shop still, which is funny to me because it's so effective for not only getting a ton of sales, so as a sales channel, but also for gathering content from your community. It's pretty awesome. Now, as you see here, they're meta ads. We are in the Facebook ad library, so we can explore some of the ads that they're currently running. And they're doing what we like to call at Academy blitz scaling. They're running 800 different creatives right now. And by the way, their search traffic, their traffic overall, you can see is exponentially growing. Makes sense, right? Like this is a straight line to the moon. And this is part of the reason that not only do they have all these collaborations going on TikTok and with influencers, but they also are running a ridiculous amount of ads, 800 different creatives. I mean, that is a lot of creatives, guys. Most of you struggle to get 3 creatives to test when you're just launching a product. These guys launch with 800 plus creatives. So really interesting approach. Tons of different headlines that they're trying, the same videos just with different headlines and things of that nature. So they're really split testing very little things, getting super granular with it, which obviously requires a lot of time. So I'm guessing they either have a full-time media buyer or they have an agency like ours at Academy where we do this for you. So obviously, if the brand is watching this, would love to work with you guys. I would love to be able to explode this even further. And for anyone else watching, if you have a TikTok shop or a brand or a business and you need help scaling it up, then reach out to us. That's what we do. We use the machine learning platforms for paid ads and viral organic marketing. We mesh it and we do really well with that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I don't want to make it too long. There's not much more for me to talk about here. I just wanted to put this in your radar because when I saw it, I was pretty shocked by its capabilities. And then further, I was shocked by just how successful their launch has been and the fact that they're on TikTok Shop as a tech brand. I feel like you don't see that a lot. So that's it. Peace.